Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are back out in the lake and we're gonna be fishing for trout, rock bass, or cutthroat. Well, right now we're having a little bit of technical difficulties, but we'll get back out there in a minute to show you guys a nice, beautiful view we got going on here. Today we're gonna be using my favorite Castmaster. Yeah, now we're back on. And also we're gonna be trolling a little bit with worm, split shot, and about 1.5 foot leader. So I'm gonna sit down, we're gonna go to where we're going, and we'll start fishing, guys. Let's go check it out. All right guys, so while Justin works on the motor, you know what time it is. Time to cast the Castmaster out there and see if we can catch something.
I don't know.
Stump on the bottom of us, which is pretty deep. You good? Whoa, that's a big stump right there. Look at all those stump, guys. Look at all those. This is a killer lake for bass.
Aren't you glad I brought tools?
Look at
with
the
me?
big one right there.
I brought just enough to be dangerous.
All right, guys, so we made it over here. We're this is probably about 15 feet of water.
It's diveable.
It's diveable. So it's about 15 feet. We're on this side of the bridge now. Our destination is around that right there into Little Cove. It's a river that flows in. That's where we want to go. But for some reason, our motor ended up going really, really loud and smoked and stopped. So hopefully the motor didn't go bad. What are you using, Justin?
A worm.
So check it out, guys. It started. We're over there. We're on our way to the hole. On our way. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's an eagle on the boathouse right there. And there's crows. There's like 2 crows just keep coming down and trying to swoop at it. All right, guys, so this is where we wanted to come in. Here's the creek. It goes, it flows, it flows, it flows, and then it makes like a huge hole right here. This is one of my favorite spots to fish on this lake. And right here, normally what I use is just, I'll show you guys. Swivel, split shot, 4.5 foot leader, worm. That's it. Nothing too special. guys, so we kept that trout because Justin ended up making it bleed, and we don't feel safe, or we don't feel good releasing it. So we're just gonna keep it, and
right here, guys.
we are gonna be eating it. So,
I'm getting bites right here.
oh man, Justin's getting bites, and he set the hook. He got a fish. He got one on, boys. Ooh, woo. Ooh, I see it. I see it. Ooh, that's nice colors. This is a nice one too.
Is it a cutthroat?
No, it's a rainbow.
I just seen a lot of red. I just let it. I reeled it in a little bit,
Uh-huh.
and then I let it like drop, because it got really deep right here.
Yeah, it gets super deep right here. Damn, that's a nice one, bud. There you go. Oh, that's a fatty.
Yeah, they're all fat.
All right, guys. So we're gonna end up keeping this fish because he swallowed the hook and it's bleeding, and we don't feel good releasing a fish that's bleeding. So we're gonna dispatch him, and we're gonna keep him. We got quite a bit of water, boys.
Oh shit! It's above my shoe.
Oh, snaps. All right, guys. So we changed the method of fishing. We started trolling. So this is our rod right here. Same thing, split shot, 18 inches of leader line. So, and a worm. Justin's using the same thing. So, ooh, he's had a fish on, boys. Fish on. Set you guys on my chest. All right, guys, you guys are on my chest now. That one hit it hard. Yeah, but it doesn't feel too big though. 12 inches, if that. Oh, I see it. Oh, oh.
Killing it. So it doesn't go to the motor. Oh, this is tight. Good?
Yeah, let me release it. Got the high-speed barrel swivels, so that way my line doesn't get tangled up too bad. We got the worm. And what we normally do is, I'll show you guys. All you gotta do is just cast. That's probably about 35 feet, but I'm gonna give it more line. You might want to turn a little right, Justin. And now we're about 55 feet behind the boat, and we're gonna fish. It hasn't even been 3 minutes and we just nailed another one. You're good, you're good, you can keep going. This one's right in the mouth.
What the hell?
Oh, right in the bottom of the lip. Check this one out, guys.
Oh, that's nice.
Keep going. Ooh. All right, guys. So as soon as I let the other one go, probably 10 seconds, Justin just nailed one.
He's picking it up off the bottom.
You're trolling though, it's not on the bottom. All right, keep going.
No, I felt the bottom.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. 'Cause I have 2 little split shots.
Oh, these waves are pretty good. was a nice one, guys. All right, guys, we are back on. And this one is, it's just a little piece of worm we had on there, not even that much. And Justin is building water because we got quite a bit of water on today. Ooh. That one's a cutthroat. That's a cutlery.
No, it's a rainbow.
Oh, that's a big rainbow.
Yeah. Keep it, keep it.
You gonna eat this one? You want this one for dinner? All right, so we are gonna keep this one. I'm gonna dispatch it. And Justin's gonna eat this one for dinner. So I'll see you guys back in the next one.
First, no, not so much.
Come on, buddy.
Where's it at?
Come, do you fart?
No.
Oh.
That was the boat.
Ooh, that's a good fish.
Oh.
No! No!
Oh.
No! That had to be at least an 18-inch fish, guys. That was a nice one. Oh. All right, guys, we are on. Justin, how big you think this fish is, bro?
12 inches.
All right, let's check it out.
And then it's not even a trout. Ooh, cutthroat! Is it? No?
It's
No,
a trout.
It's a rainbow.
All right, so I'm gonna release it and I'll get back to you guys in a minute. There it is, guys. There it is. All right, so I'm gonna release it and we'll get back out there and catch more. But look how beautiful this is. Oh, here, this one didn't swallow it, so I can release it and you guys can check it out. It's gone, boys. Hey guys, check it out. Justin's on too. Woo! Oh, damn. Come bring him in. What side? Sorry. You good?
I don't know what side yet.
I'm ready for both sides.
He does not want to come in.
No.
He's not ready.
Just play him out.
Every time he does those big head shakes, yo.
There we go.
Woo! That's
Beautiful. Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Let me show the camera.
That's what we call holdovers.
Look at this, guys. Are you going to be keeping this one?
Yes.
So we are going to dispatch it. And we're going to put it in the stringer. This is a beautiful one. Look at these colors and everything, guys. Oof. All right, guys. So we're going to start trolling back now because the rain is right there. And it looks like it's going to rain hard. And we don't have any rain gear or nothing. So we're trolling on the way back. Same thing we've been using. Let's catch some fish. Okay, his attention again. Right here, guys. I just lost one. Got him on, boys. I got him on. Small rock bass. So these right here are rock bass. Check it out, guys. All right, guys. So here we are. Don't try this at home unless you guys have nothing in your pockets, because you will. Look at this. It moves. It moves. All right. So yeah, it's only about 5 feet here, so we're good. I mean, he thought it was funny to push off. It's okay. But this is pretty cool.
Legit growing out of that stuff.
Oh yeah, right here, guys.
Terrible.
All right, well, I'm gonna get back in the boat and hopefully I don't fall. I'm back in the boat, so I did make it. So we're gonna be working these docks around till we get to the boat launch over there. All right, guys, we are finally, after trying for a few hours, well, since we got here, I was trying, and the spinner, nothing, and then, oh, it's off. That's what has been going on. That's like my 5th one I lost today on the Castmaster, and I haven't been able to land it. I don't know why. All right, guys, and he came off again. I don't know what is it, guys. I think I gotta stop running barbers. Cause that's another one I just lost. Whew. All right, let's keep trying. All right, guys, so we're gonna be heading out because it is gonna start raining now. Yeah, as you guys can tell, we took in quite a bit of water. It's still coming out. These are the fish that we kept. There's Justin right there, my truck, his truck. We're all ready and set up to go. All right, guys, so it was fun making the video. I really enjoyed it. It was nice going out and just fishing today. I haven't fished in about a week and a half, so it's been a while. But we got out in the lake, we caught some fish, which was nice. Some big ones got away though because we couldn't land them. They just got away. They're lucky. They get to swim in the lake. All right, guys, so give me a thumbs up, give me a like, you know, push the like button. That helps a lot with the algorithm, and that way I can get more views and stuff. It's awesome. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe by post a video up every Saturday. And like always, guys, have a good day. Oh, a fish just jumped right there. Have a good day, good night, or good afternoon, wherever you guys are at. We'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Take it easy.